Hello, my beautiful souls. It's Priyam from Guidance. So, Cancer, it's your weekly card reading from 28th of June 2016 till 26th of June 2016. So, here's the first card: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend card, angel advice card, and the challenge card. So, here we go with the first card, the Tower card. Unexpected event. I see one unexpected event, some kind of loss you may face. Please be prepared to face something that will end. And always remember, there is a new start after every ending. So you will have to come out of it. If something like that happens, please come out of it as soon as possible, because once you are open, once you will throw away your pain, you will receive new things in your life for sure, right? So, and you are such a beautiful person, a kind listener, and a mature person, emotional one, but you are so really nice. You listen to people, you like to give good advices, you like to help people, but do keep in mind, if you keep giving, people will start taking you for granted. So after giving, just wait for the universe to give you back, because things should happen in a balanced manner. Okay, don't let anyone take you for granted. A travel card. You may travel, maybe for your new beginning, or for your project, or some new business if you are about to start, right? It's a travel card. That's on your weekend. And then angels are advising you. It sometimes indicates about a partnership. Start for long term something, and in a partnership if possible. And you may travel overseas. And you have, trust me, you have every tools, and you have everything, and you can change everything whenever you want to. You can decide your future better. You are the best person to judge. So if you want to decide something for your future, do it very wisely. It is about you. Okay. And then financially, lately you have been taking a lot of stress. So the challenge card says you need to throw away all this stress. Please refresh your mind, because I know, I can understand that if someone is financially not that doing well, stress comes, tension, worry. But however, we always have good things after a bad phase. So we need to be more positive. Be positive, have faith. God is actually watching us. Keep praying and have faith in yourself. You can change your situation anytime you want. If you want to get out of something, you are the best judge. Plan something in a different way, like change something, do something other than do something else other than what you're doing at this point. This travel will change you. What I'm seeing at the moment, you may get good ideas there, or you may meet someone who will give you, good creative ideas or some business idea, right? So Cancer, hope it helps, and please don't worry about this, because you will come over it. See the card very carefully, and nothing is permanent, so we need to be positive. Okay Cancer, I will be back with your next weekly card reading very soon. Till then, please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings. Bye.